Giteo kinene njitikiria ngoro gikunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV gikujiro-ini gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi tariki ari ni 29 mweri wa Januari mwaka naguo ni wa 2024 riu tutariye kutiriha mweri uyu wa Januari gakihoka ati mundu o wothe ni akorwo akiagia ya gututwarithia mwaka uyu wa 2024 ni mwihoko wakwa ati ni ukirire oro wega ni ndoka niguo ngurehera gikujiro giki gikumenyithagia uria bururi wa gitinda ukigarura riboti kuma county itiganite guko bururi-ini wa Kenya onagia ginya riboti kuma jawa itoka cia bururi no mbere ndaya twambe tukiamukire maria tukuhaririirie metha-ini citu cia mohoro.
Mamwe maria tukuhaririirie Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto na atongoria angĩ gũcemania bururi wa Italy kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa ũcenjia wa rĩera gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika. Kanitha wa Evangelical Lutheran kwambĩka mĩtaratara ya thayũ na njĩra ya kwamũra mũthikabu mwerũ. Na atongoria a kĩama kĩa Jubilee gũkĩra itua rĩa thirikari rĩa ũruti wa magoti ma waki wa nyũmba cia raithi makiuga nĩ njĩra ya kũiya a Kenya.
Gaikara ngikumenyithagia ati mohoro maya maito maramemerekio imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria Facebook @Muthingi TV, YouTube @Muthingi TV na nie mutabania waku Geto Wairimu wa Kimani. Na tukiambĩrĩria ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto ni acerete bururi wa Italy kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa ũcenjia wa rĩera. President William Ruto aragikinya bururi-ini uyu muthenya wa ira hamwe na mutumia wake kuria aragitanywo gukorwo akiaririria undu uyu ucenjia wa riera kigomano kiria giakorwo gigitabanio mucii-ini wa Roma na makiria gukinyanithia ucenjia wa riera gitaro-ini kia Afrika. Nayo riboti igeni ati makiria ya andu 10 nimerekanite gukua na angi kiheri kuguraga kumana na mutino muru wa barabara uria urahanikire mwena wa Uthoasawi barabara-ini ya Kisumu guku mucii wa Nairobi. Kuringana na kamanda wa borithi wa Nyando Grace Tuo augite ati mutino uyu urahanikire ngari ya ukui wa muingĩ ya Super Metro na lori. Augite ati bathi ino iguthieniria kiongo kwa kiongo na lori ino riria ndereba wa bathi ino arageria kuhitukia ngari ingi. Na riu tugithie na mbere tugithie kuri njuragano cia airitu iria ithite na mbere gukumithio na njira nene makiria kuria murugamiriri wa atumia guku kaunti-ini ya Murang'a Betty Maina hamwe na mubunge wa Mwea maingi ni maikitie njuragano cia airitu na aje makiuga ati ciiko ici cia unyamu cicungiririo ni airitu wakihuthia hamwe na kwenda muturire wa iguru. Betty Maina hamwe na mubunge uyu ni makorwo magithinyiriria airitu hamwe na atumia gukorwo makirigiceria muno makiria na andu aria matangi maruta mioyo na muno kwethera uboco niguo kurigiriria njuraganyo ici iria ithi na mbere ihanikite guku bururi-ini na gikiro kinene.
Gutire kindu kionekanaga raithi na no nginya mundu agathiginagira kiria nakio ndimehoye mambe matigana na athuri ene matigana airetu anini matigana na athuri akuru airetu anake anini no ne mayanagio ni atumia akuru matigana na mitugo yo o mundu etikire kuikio ni mundu wa rika riake gukorwo ina relationship na mundu ndramenya no muhirigo riku ndumuonetie aciari aku kana andu a family yaku kana arata kwaria muceraga nao ni mahetia.
I am appealing to the young ladies, let us engage in sports. And as a member of parliament for this constituency, I am going to do whatever it is that I can do to support them in their talents, respective talents. They've been talking about other talents, but you have to start somewhere. And I have started with football for ladies as well as the men. Hiyo ingine tutaangalia, hizo talanta zingine tutaangalia, na pia hawa I'm going to bring them on board so that they are engaged.
Njira ire tutigetekere gutongorio ni urimu itu tukoragwo na aria maroragana gutire mundu ugakua atacaite uria na saithi aria
na tugithie na mbere ni ati mubunge wa Kiharo Ndindi Nyoro ni ateterithitie bata wa atongoria aria mathuritwo ni muingi guteaniria mawira maria marikiri nao na gukorwo magiteaniria ngucanio ciao cia kioteti iria ire gatagati-ini kiao akiuga ati riu ihinda ria uteti ni riathirire na makiria thaa ici ni mathaa ma kurutira Wanjikũ wira. Mubunge uyu aragikoriro akiariria kanitha-ini ya Kisumu kuria aranyitite etikia a kanitha wa Kusa Katholiki kuria mwena wa Nyakachi na kuria araugete ati ni guthii na mbere kunyita tafarira cia William Ruto baru na makiria tafarira cia uthii wa na mbere akiuga Mukenya o wothe ari na wiathi wa guikara kuria guothe ekwenda guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya.
Na anajua tuko hapa na tunaheshimiana sisi wote kama viongozi. Yangu itakuwa machache kwa sababu yale yametuleta sana ni mambo ya vile tunaweza saidiana katika kazi ya Mungu. Mimi vile mumesikia nimetoka Bali kwa sababu Murang'a ni Bali kiasi kutoka hapa na Kiharo pia ni Bali sana kutoka hapa, lakini nikiwa hapa pia mimi najihisi niko nyumbani kwa sababu Kenya, the way we should have Kenya and the way we should envision Kenya is a Kenya without any boundary, and especially boundary that is based on tribe or any other boundary enye hatuna haja nayo. Hapa mbele ya father wetu, rais wetu anatabua Mkenya wote kama anatosanisha wote. Rais wetu anatuambia hata tukiwa budget committee, in the allocation of our resources, we do not look at where people voted. We look at Kenyans as one compact country because all Kenyans pay taxes. Na kwa hivyo mkiwa hapa mjue ya kwamba serikali yetu tukiongozwa na president wetu His Excellency William Ruto na makamu wake, sisi hatubagui mwa Kenya. Kama ni ugawaji wa pesa ya budget, vile tunagawa ya kaunti zingine zote, ndio tunagawa katika kaunti zile zingine zote.
Hii jamhuri yetu ya Kenya inataka patriotism, inataka watu wako na damu ya Ukenya, inataka watu wako na nia ya kuunganisha jamii yetu. Kama vijana wadogo, sisi tumeamua kwamba tutaingia kwa safari ya kuunganisha Kenya yetu. Tutashikana sisi vijana huko Mombasa, Central, Rift Valley, Kenya yote, tuhubiri injili ya patriotism na ya unity na ya coexistence ya nchi yetu.
Nao atongoria a kiama kia Jubilee ni mathiete na mbere gukirira na kuruta mahitia mubango wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto wa waki wa nyũmba cia raithi, makiuga mubango uyu wambĩrĩirie ni uria wari mutongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta na we ndakoragwo akirihia magoti ma igũrũ. Matongoretio ni mwandiki wa kiama gĩkĩ kia Jubilee Pauline Njoroge. Atongoria aya maugite ati uyu urerikana ukuguna atongoria anini, kuona ati atongoria aya mayandikithitie kanio maigithitie kandarathi ciothe cia waki wa nyũmba ici cia raithi.
There is nothing affordable about that bill they are spoiling affordable housing. It actually should be called an affordable housing bill. Reason, ukienda Mlolongo saa hii, wa China wako huko, wamejenga nyumba mahali inaitwa Great Wall. Wamejenga nyumba ya 2 bedroom, wamenunua plot. Wameweka pesa yao. Wamejenga, they are selling at 3.2 million. Sasa huyu jamaa naye anakuja anachukua shamba yenu kwanza, alafu anaingia mifuko anatoa pesa, alafu anajenga anauzia watu 3.15 million. Isn't that market rate? What is affordable about that house? And I'm saying with authority, so mimi ni mtu wa mjengo, mimi ni mtu, I'm an architect, so I'm telling the botanist to know that botany is not architecture. Please come and ask us. Stop lying to Kenyans. There is nothing affordable about those houses.
Affordable housing began with President Uhuru when he was doing the Big Four. Big Four, by the Big Four, ilikuwa na housing, affordable housing, kulikuwa na mambo ya health, kulikuwa na universal health care, there was manufacturing and food security. Those were the main four. Uhuru, na mbunge wa Starehe atakuja hapa awaambia, Uhuru built affordable housing without asking for a single penny from Kenyans. Those houses are in Starehe. The MP will come here and tell you, na ziko kwingine kwingi zimejengwa. Hata zingine mnaona zikifunguliwa saa hii, zilianzishwa na Uhuru. He did not ask for money. When Uhuru said kila Mkenya awe na universal health cover and was going around the country pushing, he never increased this money. So what has changed between that position and now?
The reason we are very personal about that issue of affordable housing ni sababu wamejipatia supply ya hizo vitu zote zitajenga hizo nyumba. Mambo ya simiti ni wao, mambo ya zile steel zitatumika ni yao. Hivyo they have given themselves all those tenders to supply for the building of those houses, of that housing project. Wakituambia ni ati employment wanataka to create. If they want to create employment in this country, let them work on the dollar so that investors can keep coming. Let them work on reducing the cost of production in this country so that different companies, manufacturing can thrive in this country, cottage industries can thrive in this country. And when they make the business environment work, we will not need them to build houses or to tax people to build houses in the name of their creating employment. If they allow the business environment to work, if they make the cost of doing business in this country, come down, then the jobs will naturally come. But sasa kutuambia ati hii nyumba ndio italeta makazi, na ni wao wanajitekelezea kazi. Ni hata mgani ataweza kununua nyumba for 3 million? It's all a lie, it's all manipulation, and from today we condemn and we rebuke the spirit of lies and manipulation in this country.
Nayo family imwe kuma mwena wa Mutonyora Kinangop goko ni county ya Nyandarua nikitieretana kuri andu a wendi mwega gukorwo makimateithiriria kuriha marihi ma urigiti kuona mwana wao ni arathurimirwo na thina wa ngoro kuonekana ati ena marima meri ngoro-ini yake na ariona thina wa mikiha riu akiendekana guthie bururi wa India ni gukorwo akiamukira uteithio na urigitani uria ufataire na kuona ati mirimo mihango ya mirigo ino ya murimo uyu ni umarituhire na gikiro kinene riu ni maraikia retana kuri andu a wendi mwega.
Amarĩtwa njĩtagwo Gadi Gĩtheng'ũ wa Njũgũna, mũciarĩrwo wa gũkũ Mũtonyora C, na ngagĩthomera o gũkũ. Niĩ baba wa kana karetwo Wini wa Ithera, karĩa karenda gũthondekwo kena thĩna, karenda gũthĩnjwo kena thĩna wa ngoro. Nĩko gaka twĩ nako. Mami wao etagwo Jane Njambi wa Ithera. Na nĩ ithuĩ tũkoretwo tũkĩhoya andũ a wendi mwega gũtũteithĩrĩria thĩinĩ wa gũtwarithia ũhoro ũrĩa twĩ naguo wa kana kau gũthondekwo, tondũ nĩ twamenyire kena thĩna ũcio through gũthiĩ mathibitarĩ maingĩ, na rĩu nĩ tũkoretwo tũgĩtirithania na ũhoro ũcio. Ndĩna twana tũtatũ. Ka mbere gwĩtwo Princess, ga kerĩ David, na ga gatatũ nĩko Wini wa Ithera. Ka mbere kena thĩna wĩtagwo cerebral palsy na ĩngĩ ĩtagwo autism. Nako gaka ga gatatũ nĩko twamenyire kena thina wa ngoro no mbere yo tutioe twakoretwo gaciarirwo December mweri 29 riu ni twagikorirwo tukiambiriria kliniki ota ciana iria ingi na twamenyire kena thina thutha wa guthie kliniki ya gatatu ndio wini ari na mieri ena magitwira mwana ucio ngoro yake ikundu itari na mikiha iratwara thakame wega na gwikundu ina marima meri na he thakame maita meri igatwarira mahuri ni uguo mwana ucio nikio araikara akihomaga magigitwira yo ti pneumonia ni murimu enaguo wa ngoro
arwaru na riu mena kana gaka kena murimu wa ngoro nitukoretwo tukigeria uria tungihota nigetha tuone mbia icio na tugeretie tugakinya mwiso na mugunda irio ciothe ni ciatwarirwo ni mai uguo na kindu gia kuria nginya gia kwendia gutiri riu undu ucio nikio turahoya andu a wendi mwega
tugaga ati ugima wa mwiri ni kirathimo na riu tukehoka ati family iyo ni gukorwo ikiamukira uteithio uria maragibatara na riu report iyo niyo igukorwo igituhe kamwe kigago ikiria no ndugathie haraya turacoka na maingi omodo ni akoragwo na meriria magwetanio na kamucie no to kamucie tu amu ni kamucie gathaka na kagemu karia kamuhingagiria meriria magoro yake hihi o ni kuga atia ni kuria kia nyumba ino uri kana hihi ni waki wa nyumba ino kana ne indo iria ikoragwo nyumba-ini ino ni ithuĩ tũgũteremaga tũgagĩtirũkithia gathabarĩ gaku kumagia iroto na meriria maku na tũgacitua ũikaro waku nĩ riboti ĩrĩa tũnyitanagĩra na ataramu a waki tũgathogorana ũrĩa tũgũbacĩrithia thogora wa mbeca ciaku nyitana naniĩ Wairimu wa Kimani gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tabarĩra-inĩ itũ ya waki na ũgemu
waigwa buridi ya huho kamenya nĩ hĩndĩ twĩ ona wa Max tũgũtwara nginya iharo-inĩ atukomenyeria ciĩgiĩ athaki mĩthako nondano na maumĩrĩra ma mbĩtĩka cia kaigi gwĩthambĩra mahenya cricket hockey gonya na ingĩ nyingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nja wa bũrũri nyitanagĩra na niĩ That Sports Girl wa Boy wa Njaũ o Juma wona cianda wega thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tabarĩra-inĩ ya metameta cia mathako gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV
kihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho ni ufataranagia
watho ukoragwo wa guteithia mitugo na mikire ya maundu hari andu othe
na watho ugite ni 3 months with full pay
ndwagirirwo gutwarwo police station kana gutwarwo criminal court ni undu wa defamation
na nikio ni nawe tufatie kumenya uria mundu angietha kihoto giake
mwana ena right yake na mwana we ni innocent
yoto iriko na muthuri na mutumia tokogana indo ikwari
watho ni witikiritie ciana icio utigirwo
nyitanana nanie Wairimu wa Kimani guku kwa Muthingi TV o wakana thaa 2 cia hwaini tuthome na tuhiganie ciegi watho amu guku nikuo kihumo kia gutherema. Nitwagicokereria iririkana turamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria Facebook @Muthingi TV, YouTube @Muthingi TV. Na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia manyitanĩire na Kenya Pipeline Corporation nĩmarugũrĩtie thibitarĩ njerũ itũũra-inĩ rĩa maili 8 Laikipia ya irathĩro. Na rĩu magĩkinyanĩria ceceni cia ũrigitani 94 kaunti-inĩ ĩno. Nĩ mũbango ũrĩa ũgĩtũgĩirio nĩ gavana wa Laikipia Joshua Irungu akiuga atĩ ceceni cia ũrigitani gũteithĩrĩria makĩria aikari a Laikipia kuona mũbango ũyũ ũmwe ũragĩkorwo ũkĩhũthĩra makĩria ma ciringi milioni 8.
Come here today to commission the medical center, the building that we've spent 8 million shillings on behalf of the Kenya Pipeline. And for us, it's not about the billions of shillings that we spend in the pipeline. It's about touching lives. To complement it, today we are offering free medical camp to close to 1,000 people. Tumeleta madawa, madaktari wako hapa na tunasisitiza watu wa huku waitumie nafasi wafanyiwe hiyo check up.
Kenya KPC, asanteni sana kwa sababu ni vita ambayo ilipiganwa ili tupate hii nafasi.
Wakati huu kama vile unaona umati wa wananchi ni ile furaha wako naye ni kwa sababu hii walikuwa wanatembea kilomita nyingi sana. Wengi walikuwa wanaenda ya Meru, wengine wanaenda paka na Nyuki na hizo ni kilomita nyingi sana kwenda kutafuta matibabu. Kwa hivyo tunataka kuchukua hii nafasi ya kwamba ya kushukuru sana KPC kwa sababu out of their way, out of their other programs, their core mandate ya pipeline wao wameonelea kwamba waweze kuleta ufadhili wa kutengeneza hospitali. Tunataka kuhakikishia KPC ya kwamba tutaendelea na kushikilia hii hospitali, tutaendelea na kuipanua ikuwe na maternity ward na ikuwe na other facilities ya ile itaweza kuhudumia hawa watu wetu. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru on behalf of Laikipia County, we say thank you and God bless them na waendelee na kufanyia na kuhudumia watu wengine hata kuingine other counties.
Nao arĩithia arĩa maikaraga kaunti cia rũgongo wa bũrũri ta Wajir, Marsabit, Garissa, Samburu hamwe na Isiolo rĩu marĩ na gĩtũmi gĩa gũkenerera thutha wa kambuni ĩmwe na ũnyitani wa thirikari ya kaunti ũkinyanĩrithia tabarĩra ya kũmateithĩrĩria harĩ ũrĩmi wa mahiũ. Nĩ tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩtanyĩtwo kurehe mashini cia kĩrĩu cia gũthĩnja nyama oro hamwe na ũhehu wa nyama. Nĩ mũbango ũrĩa ũragĩkinyithanirio nĩ ũrũgamĩrĩri wa thirikari ya kaunti oro hamwe na gĩkundi ya kambuni ya waki ya Al-Hutha.
Today we are receiving the last consignment of our batch from Italy, and it entails all refrigeration and equipment and fix and pneumatics for mechanical line. We are planning to have our engineers to be on site from 2nd or 3rd of February. Timeline could be within 3 weeks. We might be able to finish, or 4 weeks to finish all the fix and the fix platforms and pneumatic and all the refrigeration part. Hopefully the capacity is almost 100,000 for the shots, goat and sheep, almost 10,000 for cattle, and 3,000 for the camel. In terms of the completion, I think governor is also forcing us, is pushing us, in fact, for us to complete by the target that we gave our time last time of March. In fact, the governor is also very much interested in this one of his flagship project, and in terms of financing, he's also trying his best that the flow of funds for the facilities is well as planned. The reception is very good, and they're also having a passionate of completing this facility of theirs. I hope being the first to be done, and hopefully it will have a bigger impact to the common region of the northern frontier, not only Isiolo County, because it is targeting almost the 6 counties, Isiolo, Samburu, Marsabit, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa.
Tunamshukuru gavana wetu kwa kutuletea maendeleo kama hii. Right now tumeona maendeleo, mashini zimefika, na hii inatuhakikishia kwamba youth ambao wako hapa right now watapata kazi. Tunakushukuru sana.
Sisi ni vijana wa KMC hapa. Tunataka tuajiriwe kazi hapa. Gavana yetu amefanya kazi mzuri sana.
Nacio mbegũ cia mbembe itakinyanĩirie ikĩro nĩcikĩtio ngono na nĩ thutha wa mũngũrũrio ũrĩa ũragĩkorirwo ũgĩtabanio rungu rwa rũhonge rwa ũramati wa ikĩro cia mbegũ bũrũri-inĩ. Kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rũrũ rwa gũkũ kaunti ya Kisii, Chelagat Tony, augĩte atĩ gũkinyanĩria rĩu andũ 7 nĩo magĩikĩtio ngono arĩa marakorirwo makinyitwo kũrĩa mwena wa Nyamira, gũkũ mbegũ cia makĩria ma kiro 100 ikinyitwo ngono hĩndĩ ya mũngũrũrio ũyũ.
We were in Nyamira and county and Kisii County, and during surveillance we managed to get individuals who were handling seed and they did not have license. Some were also handling uncertified seed that has not been inspected and passed as fit for farmers to access. In Nyamira, we arrested 4 individuals who were selling seed and did not have a seed seller's license. So with the help from the security team, we were able to arrest them and present them to court. So as we speak, the court process is on. Normally, seed that has been certified is well packaged with a packet that has got quality marks and a sticker label where a farmer can be able to scratch and confirm that that seed is valid. In Kisii County, we came across 210 kilos of seed that was handled by individuals that did not have license. In Nyamira, we impounded 100 kilos. 80 kilos of this 100 was the uncertified seed that was sold by an individual at the marketplace. This operation is going on across the country because we've noted that there are individuals who want to take advantage of the planting season. They want to take advantage and sell fake seed to unsuspecting farmers.
As you know, hapa kwetu ni mashamba ni kidogo sana. Sasa tukiwa na mbegu mbaya, wakulima wanapata mazao madogo. Na tunataka kuwaonya hawa watapeli kwa sababu hiyo sio biashara halali. So we are going to crack down on them in all our centers, including kule mashinani, kwa sababu hatutakubali wakuwe tisho kwa food security katika nchi yetu.
Na rĩu tũingĩre iharo-inĩ kũrĩa atongoria atumia kuma gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa Mount Kenya matongoretio nĩ ũmenera kwa Murang'a Betty Maina na mũmbunge wa Mwea Mary Maingĩ nĩ maikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ thirikari nene ya kaunti harĩ kũhũra jeki atumia sekta-inĩ ya mathako, kuona atĩ atumia aya nĩ matiganĩirio na gĩkĩro kĩnene.
Tuwe tuna encourage our girls kutoka anale age wakiwa kwa sababu kadada imejulikana sana na wanaume. Sasa wasichana wetu tuwe tunawaonyesha wanaweza cheza kadada. Pia hawa ni watoto na hata kadada sio mchezo tu ya wanaume. Tuwa encourage wakiwa very young so that they can grow with it.
Instead of fighting about alcoholism, instead ya kusimama vijana sijui wameingia hot sect, tuwaweke pamoja, tulete kadanda na tutakuwa tumewashikilia. Moso tumeona vijana leo, wasichana leo wakicheza. Na nimefurahia sana. Hapa ni mahali tutapata nafasi kuambia kuhusu teenage pregnancy. Hapa ni mahali tutapata nafasi kuongelesha, kuambia vile wasichana wanauliwa kule Nairobi. So nimshukuru Mary na nimwambie tuendelee kuweka vijana wote pamoja, tunapata mahali pa kuongelesha na to help them unlock their potential in sports.
Na kambuni ya uigithia na uheani wa ngombo ya Amika ni itafanĩtie mbĩtĩka cia gũteithĩrĩria harĩ ũthomithania igũrũ rĩgiĩ uigithia na ũhonokia wa mbeca.
We start this team with a vision of bringing our staff together so that we can promote mental health and also in the same spirit of keeping them fit. So with this team, we have just ended a match against Moranga Sportif where we've just won 3 goals, and the purpose for starting this team was to make sure that we are helping these young people. One, we are creating jobs for these young people because some of them are joining us as staff and also as field officers. We are also nurturing other talents and also making them stay away from bad company, things to do with alcoholism.
Na mwirori witũ riboti ĩyo ya mathako nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũtirihĩra gĩkũnjĩro gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa mũthĩ. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno makĩria nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra gũtwarana na ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie gĩkũnjĩro gitũ nginyagia rĩu. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno makĩria gũkĩrĩ arĩa tũrĩ nao gũkũ mwena wa studio, arĩa magĩgũtigĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩ magĩgũkinyana na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩire. Ngũririkania atĩ wona ciarĩkia kwĩhanda thaa ĩmwe oro nginyagia thaa ithatũ nĩ tũgũkũhera maingĩ marĩa tũgũkorwo tũkĩharĩrĩria metha-inĩ citũ cia mohoro. No kwa ihinda rĩrĩ njĩtĩkĩria niĩ ngũtigĩre hau ngwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega. Niĩ njĩtĩkaga wa Irimũ wa Kĩmani.